This is neoweb.ai's header and footer section, where both areas are managed in one place. We start with the header and open the editor for direct visual customization. Everything updates live on the canvas, with the controls kept neatly on the right. The first step is choosing the nav bar layout and defining how the logo and menu align. Then the brand block is refined, including the name, text size, colors, and logo styling. The background can also be customized with color or image, plus different display modes. Link colors and menu items are edited next, making the navigation clearer and more complete. After that, the call to action area is available, so buttons can be added and adjusted. A new action button is created and styled to fit naturally into the rest of the header. To make it more expressive, icons are selected from the built-in library, searched, previewed, and applied in seconds. Destination settings are configured too, whether the link is internal, external, or inactive. A quick mobile preview confirms the menu collapses cleanly and the button still looks right. With the header finished, it's saved, so let's move straight into the footer editor. The footer starts with the brand area, combining the logo, name, and short supporting text. That description is updated here, turning the footer into something more useful and intentional. Next, the color scheme is adjusted to strengthen contrast, branding, and overall visual balance. Footer sections are managed as structured columns, so all sections stay organized. Just like in the header, icons can be added from the picker, which is perfect for social links. For example, let's add Instagram and Facebook into a social section for a more complete footer. And that's the result. A simple, visual, fully customizable header and footer experience.